Good morning, good people. How's it going? I hope everyone had a great weekend. No, mine was pretty dope. Let's get to these markets and see if we can find some levels to play with today. I want to show you guys the market look like it's in a condition to possibly start giving us a little bull run. Don't know how long this one's going to be, but the trend has pretty much made higher lows and now it's made a higher high. So we'll see if they get a nice little push to the upside with this bullish momentum. If you look to the left side, over here we do have a 5 minute with some volume. Had volume on this move right here on this candle with the 2 minute. So now we want to see cyan to green on the 2 minute for confirmation that this play can work. But yeah, you see the bullish momentum coming in there. It made a higher high, didn't quite make a lower low. Right, and now we have a possible runoff. So that's just the temporary short-term kind of play right now that you can scalp. I like the fact that this thing is moving up already, reducing your risk. It was originally at like 93. Now it's at 99. So that's pretty cool. Let's see, something's blocking me there. Let's see that. But yeah, let's get right to it. Still have this cough from last week, but yeah. All right, so here goes our before I get here, let's just take a quick look at the daily time frame and the 4 hour to determine what the macros look like. So we've had this bull rally for some time, a lot of big dips. It bought up at the money zone or a little bit below it, and now we have some green candles going on, so buyers are in control. We just need to kind of see what ends up happening. And of course, no one knows. Just got to bust a play. We have no daily lines here to put, and we have a bunch of 4 hour lines. This daily level here, 17,395, is coming from the previous level, which was the previous swing up here. That's the only daily level that we have to hold us down. And as you can see, the market came, tested that level, and it's now bouncing back up. So I am bullish because we are above the 200 on the daily. We are above the 200 on the 4 hour, and the 4 hour has a lot of different levels, especially this one that came in to rescue the price. That one came in the other day, had a nice little bounce up. So I just kind of like put those levels there because they're worth watching. So we have 17,566 as a possible bounce zone, but we're looking like we're trying to hit all-time highs right now at 17,786. So we'll see if we make that move today. All right. Now that we have, let's get our money zones correct. We have a money zone here on the daily left side, about that big, and they pushed up the money zone on the 4 hour to about right there. So we're looking for bounces in these green zones, or price action that supports bullish momentum or bullish kind of patterns in those points, if the market can even get there. Right now, it looks like it's bouncing already off of something here, which it looks like it's stuck at the top of the Bollinger Band, but it can either do two things: go all the way to the top. So we're looking at this as a possible target, or it can fail and make a trip all the way back to the downside. We'll put an alert up there just in case that happens. We'll put an alert at all-time high just in case that happens. And yeah, let's keep it moving. So now that we establish what's going on the grand scope of the market, the daily and the 4 hour, we're going to take a look at the 1 hour and 15 minute to gather some levels that we can actually trade, because those are big levels to target, right? To wait for, and the market can make a move to those levels. So let's get it going. If you look on the left here, we have, blow up this 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we have a level right here at 17,733. That is supply. Okay, 17,733. That is your 1 hour supply. Market should reject that or break through it. So that's a level that most people are watching. It is a level that rejected somewhere around here. That's all-time high. Then it rejected there. Then it rejected here. Here's the third rejection. Now this is the fourth test. what tends to happen, again, like, you know, you could draw a trend line here and say, you know what, if we come back down there, I'll go for the next fifth swing. But no one knows. So when you see a purple kind of a cloud or rectangle, square, whatever you want to call it, yeah, rectangle, that's the 1 hour supply up there. So we got that down as 17,733. We have a 1 hour level here that the market somehow respected. So there goes that level test. There goes the bounce. But like it's just going to be something that the bot picks up. So I don't have to kind of show you the history. I'll barely even look at it. I just know I'm going to play that level. And that's at 17,631. 631. All right, so now that we got our 1 hour levels, it's pretty tight, but it's a range that's respected and we can possibly play that. Let's go down to the 15-minute, and the 15-minute has no supply above us, right? Other than this one here that we just broke through, okay? And we got possible demand down there at 17,645. So demand at 17,645, 645. And I might actually use this supply for now, because this one down here is like very far. But so basically I'm using this one. All right, you see that to the left? Should get a lot of smoke right here. Caught a bounce earlier, came back down. Now we could possibly be breaking out of that. So we'll see what ends up happening. But that's where that level's coming from. And that's going to be roughly 17,706, okay? 706, all right? Now, your question might be, well, is that supply since we broke out of it? Yeah, it's still supply. Market will go above, gather some stops, send it. All right. So definitely something to watch out for. Don't want to get caught with your pants down there. All right. So we got our green zones. The market is away from the green zone. We have all-time high above us. We have the 1 hour above us supply, and we're kind of breaking out of this 15-minute supply. Got another 15-minute down here. So this is a big zone, right? Like I'm looking for 645, 630, 629s for a bounce down here because it just has a merit of demand, right? 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour money zone. And we have a really, really, kind of, if we break through that, I'll look for shorts into this 4 hour demand, or maybe even the daily. But again, I'm going along here. I'm still long bias. We look at the 15-minute, we're above the 200. 1 hour, we're above the 200. So I'm looking for long opportunities all day. And yeah, so that's our levels for today. I'll take a quick screenshot of this. Sorry, so people can see what I kind of forecasted at the time. And you can catch these levels on my Discord. Also on my Twitter. So spend some time in the Top Step account today. Let's go put that there.
What's up, Spark? Yo, yo.
Given just posting some of this stuff on the maybe it's worth putting the actual like level there so you can see, but then I have too many of these lines. I don't really want that. So it is what it is. Obviously it probably wouldn't really be such a big deal because I'd be able to see the levels, but like as a target. But more importantly, everyone else can kind of see those levels. So I'll think about that next time. All right, so those are the levels. Let me just Safari, post that on Twitter, and I am done. Let's see what the market wants to do. What do you want to give us? What do you want to give us? So that was the breakout. That's the bottom of the Bollinger Band. How to target that as a possible zone enter. Oh man, we are breaking. There was some volatility coming into the market before the open. See what happens. Hey, Jazz, can you hear me?
Talking to you, but you didn't respond.
Oh man, sorry. I was doing the show, but yeah, how's it going, brother?
You're good. You're good. Good, bro. How are you?
Good weekend. All right, I'm gonna stop the stream, guys, and I'm gonna start the actual trading session and see what happens. These longs are busting.